One, two, three, start. US President Donald Trump said Saturday he will impose additional sanctions against Iran in an effort to prevent Tehran from obtaining nuclear weapons, adding that military action was still a possibility. Trump, who was speaking to reporters at the White House, made these comments after recently calling off military action against Iran to relate for the downing of a US military drone. Iran, meanwhile, said it would respond firmly to an US threat. The semi official news agency reported. On Thursday, an Irani missile destroyed a US Global Hawk surveillance drone. Tehran repeated on Saturday at that the drone was shot down over its territory. Washington said the incident had occurred in international airspace. Trump said on Friday he aborted a military strike to retaliate because it could have killed 150 people and signaled he was open to talk with Tehran, regardless of any decision they make. We, we will not allow any of Iran borders to be violated. Iran will firmly confront any aggression or threat by America. Foreign Ministry spokesman Abbas Mousavi told worry about a confrontation between Iran and the United States have mounted despite Trump saying that he has no appetite to go to war with Iran. Tehran has also said it is not seeking a war but has warned of a crushing response if attacked. Any mistake by Iran's enemy, in particular America and its region allies, would be like firing at a powder keg that will burn America, its interests, and its allies to the ground, the senior spokesman of Iran Armed Force told Tasnim on Saturday. A senior commander of the Allied Revolution's Guards, struck a similar definite note in comment quoted by the Islamic Republic news agency. This is a response to a violation of Irani's space, and if the violation is repeated, then our response will be repeated, said Brigadier General Amir Ali Hazrat. He head of Guard Aerospace Division. It's possible that this infringement of America was carried out by a general or some operators.